Well,
Let's wait until we can share live video. All right. The- Okay, cool. So Mega, do you want to start?
Sure. Well, yesterday, mostly I worked on the PR about on all the problems we were having with the PR of the execution payload and execution payload header containers. There were some problems with the format the YAML files were in. Um, most of the time I was fixing those and also added the remaining implementation details for the SSID wrapper, the, the Elixir side SSID module, and the Rust side implementation. Today I finished the details on that PR and continued work on the on the networking component. And I plan to continue with that today.
Right, great. It's awesome that you guys were able to fix that. It was a tricky one. Cool. So Paul Henry, you wanna go next?
yeah. Indeed, it was a tricky one, but I'm happy that we managed to find a solution. So that's pretty cool. Now I'm mostly focusing on, as we said, the Beacon API. So I'm starting to implement the Phoenix framework inside our repo. I'm doing that slowly because usually Phoenix is kind of used as a standalone framework, a little bit like you would start, like, I don't know, a React project. And so to be able to implement cleanly Phoenix inside an existing project, you need to do it well because I don't want to have things that we wouldn't use. For example, I don't know, internalization or dashboards uh, or telemetry or things that we wouldn't need. So I'm cleanly implementing the methods that we need, creating the boilerplate file structure and implementing the method, the framework directly in our repo. So it should be done by today.
Nice. So on my side, I've been implementing the BLS sign by using the Lighthouse implementation. Yeah, I got it working. At some point, I wanted to go a bit farther and see if I could avoid having Lighthouse as a dependency and use directly the BLS library. Turned out that it is pretty low level. Yeah, and I'm not sure it's worth it to. So I tried it for a few hours and I was not successful. But I was thinking like, since eventually want to migrate to another implementation, probably by Lambda Works, I don't think it makes too much sense to lose a lot of time on that. So I have the PR now. It's failing because something related to the dialyzer. So I will fix that. And yeah, I think with that we could open up the tickets for contributors to implement the remaining methods. So yeah, after I do that, yeah, I would like to also start playing a little bit with the networking side of things that Mega was working on and see if I can help in any way. So yeah, that's my plan for today. Does anybody have anything else before we call it a day?
If you start work on the net, seeing the networking part, just ping me. We can make a call, and I can help you explain. I can explain to you some of the things. I also could use the help.
Okay, sounds great. All right. So have an excellent Friday, everyone, and a good weekend. See you. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye.